The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch?
Dancehall. It's a boy there, Gaff. You ever a Dancehall skiller? You don't know say you're in Dancehall one ya. Make them know say we no racist now, we no careless. With the life where we live, no, we no take risk. Be careful who you come in contact with, you get something where doctor can't fix. Tell them no come round ya with the corona virus. Where you kick up in a China, where happen in a China, leave it in a China. But every day is like it has spread further. No sir, you no want get the corona. UK, USA, Canada, Jamaica, lock the airport and scan every foreigner. A matter of fact, don't even think, just go and check out my link. Yeah, keep clicking, like and share. The world need to hear. Cause this, it's all bad.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. And I just presented to you a video of a person that goes by the name of degrading. You see what I'm saying to you? Yes, he's an upcoming artist, you know, and he did a song. And I like that song, you know. He did a song about the coronavirus, you see me? And, you know, it sounds good. But you don't have to take my word for it, no, viewers and subscribers. I mean, you can check out his YouTube page, you see what I'm saying to you? And the YouTube page goes by the name of degrading Music. Yeah? Right here, you see me? degrading Music. And, you know, you can make him know, say, you're a Dancehall skiller, send you see? Alright, but anyways, viewers and subscribers, right about now, this video that I'm doing is about the whole thing that is known as coronavirus, you know, out there, isn't it? We're going to talk about the coronavirus, and I have some videos that I'm going to present to you, and these videos shows up some things that had happened, you know, where between me and your viewers and subscribers, some of these videos make me laugh. You see what I'm saying to you? Even though this thing is not a joking matter, you see what I'm saying to you? I mean, persons need to protect themselves from this virus because it can be dangerous. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah. This whole coronavirus, you know, or you can say COVID-19, you know, had affected, you know, persons worldwide out there. All right. And, you know, with that, I'm going to start off with the first video. You see what I'm saying to you? This video that I'm about to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, this video shows of a person that stands at the door of a building and sprays something into everyone's hands before they enter the building. You see me? Now, according to what has been said on social media and according to how I understand this video, which is a short video clip, it would seem as if this person is doing this because of the whole coronavirus, or you can say COVID-19. You see me? Now, this video is out on social media where some persons seems to find it funny and some persons just think different about this short video clip. Alright? But however, I'm going to present this video clip to you, my viewers and subscribers, and here are the questions. Who is that person? Whose idea was this? And is it or is it not that this was a brilliant idea? Let me know what you think. Alright? Alright, so here is the video. Take a look and observe.
Here we have no more gloves.
I wouldn't be surprised if me see him spray it all over somebody. Believe me. You see me? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, you know, we are getting to another video soon. But, you know, I have to say something to you because some things are going out there because of the whole coronavirus thing. Is what I'm saying to you? Because the other day, you know, I go and go check a friend. And, you know, I go to my friend and say, "What go on?" You know, Jamaican style, bum fist some of the time. I go and say, "Yo, what go on?" Me go here into my friend say, "No, and I saw it work again, you know." Me I say, "What?" You see me? Me see the man stretch out him foot. So I stretch out my foot, so I knock foot together now. So and I shake and thing again, and knock foot thing. You see it? And you know, viewers and subscribers come to think of it too. Me never really and truly the two like all one style where they out there where they goes about, you know, the thumb thing where two people rub them thumb together. Some of the times it really and truly make me say, yo, what make people have to do all them things? Because, you know, persons go out there, they probably use all the bathroom and wash their hand, or they hold on some railing and, you know, all kind of things, and them finger have some dirt in it, and then it comes up bam, and then me go hold on from a white shirt and all them things that, you know, it just really and truly, me never did really, you know, really go for something like that. You see what I'm saying to you? But anyways, now, I have a video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, and this video is going to show a person's doing a type of greetings or greeting that only Jamaicans I see do something like this. You see me? I mean, I can't talk for nobody else. Is what I'm saying to you. I am telling you what I know. You know, what I see for myself, you know. And only Jamaicans me see do something like this. Maybe there's other persons out there that might do it, I don't know, but I'm telling you what I know and what I see, alright? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, according to what has been said on social media about this video that I'm about to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, is that these persons are doing this elbow to elbow touch, which is considered to be an elbow to elbow greetings because of the whole coronavirus thing. So it would seem as if these persons are trying to avoid touching each other to a certain way. So what I'm saying to you, yes. So viewers and subscribers, I'm going to show you the video right about now. You can let me know what you think. Is it true or is it not true that this elbow to elbow greetings that have been done by these persons is because of the coronavirus and they are trying to avoid touching each other? You see what I'm saying to you? Let me know what you think. Alright? Now take a look at the video and observe. A lot of persons on social media call this greeting a very interesting greeting. Now, it's good to prepare for the coronavirus and so forth, but viewers and subscribers, you know, I see some videos out on social media where persons are doing some things that I don't think it makes any sense. You see what I'm saying to you? Like the other day, me hear somebody say, "Wow, coronavirus, I saw it serious. Me have to go start use condom now." Like that makes sense? Eh? I mean, what condom have to do with the coronavirus? I mean, yes, persons out there are supposed to use condoms when they are doing their hammerous activities or what they want to call it. But at the same time, you see me? The education when we get about condoms is not towards coronavirus. It's about STD, you know, AIDS and those things, you know, protected sex. That's what I learn about when it comes to condoms. So when me hear this person say something like this towards the coronavirus, I start saying to myself, say, you know, say, this person couldn't be serious. It must be running a joke. You understand me? But anyways, I'm gonna show you a video that shows of a person doing something and what this person did in this video. You see what I'm saying to you? With the thing that this person have on, you know, I don't think that what this person have on is 100% effective in the fight against this coronavirus. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, I think that persons should always get the proper information about, you know, what they need to do to prevent catching this coronavirus. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, tell me what you think about this video that I'm about to present to you. Alright, now here's the video. Take a look and observe.
Protection from corona. This is the right outfit. 500 a piece. If you watch it good. Spin this, get them the look there. 500 a piece. Oh.
I no coughing thing here.
No coughing thing. Protect yourself to the extra protection. Oh.
Face with the camera.
Alright, fully 6.
How is the code?
Yeah, hear me? Me hear somebody say only nasty people catch coronavirus. Nobody's supposed to say that. Not that I'm saying that persons out there shouldn't take care of themselves and be clean, you know, or should I say practice proper hygiene. I'm not saying that persons shouldn't try to keep themselves clean, but however, you know, to say something like that, you see me, it's just not on point. You get what I'm saying to you? Right. Now, listen to what I'm going to say before I present the final video. You see me? And this final video that I'm about to present to you is going to show off the Prime Minister of Jamaica, who is known as Andrew Holness, and he's going to say something about you know, the coronavirus and so on. Is what I'm saying to you. But however, I want to explain something before I present that video to you, my viewers and subscribers. You see? I know that, you know, maybe some persons out there, you know, might hear this before. You see me? But when it comes down to the coronavirus, you know, wash your hands. Keep your surrounding clean. You see what I'm saying to you? Avoid unnecessary contact. You know, contacts. Is what I'm saying to you, meaning that touching the person, you know, hugging the person, holding the person, or so forth. Avoid certain of those contacts. If you don't have to, don't do it according to what I've been told. Is what I'm saying to you, and always try to get the right and correct information. You see what I'm saying to you? Do not listen to rumors and do not spread rumors about this whole coronavirus thing. You see me? Don't spark a panic out there. You see me? And make people think about the thing a certain way when it is not that way. So what I'm saying to you, get the facts, get the right information about this thing. You see me? And you see what I'm saying to you? And those are the advice that I can give to each and everyone out there. So what I'm saying to you, I am going to say this because, you know, each of them own opinion towards certain things. You see me? Now, what I just said, viewers and subscribers, you can tell me if I'm right and you can tell me if I'm wrong. You see what I'm saying to you? But I'm just giving you my advice and opinion about this thing, and you can also give me some advice and opinion about this thing as well. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, alright. So I'm going to present the video now that shows off the Prime Minister of Jamaica, whose name is Mr. Andrew Holness, and he's talking about the coronavirus in Jamaica. You see me? Now listen carefully to what Mr. Andrew Holness has to say, because what he's talking about is some things that, you know, it might help and it can be informative. All right, so listen to what's going on right about now. All right, yeah, and observe.
While the confirmation of one case in Jamaica elevates the government's planned response, it is no cause for panic. We will now diligently activate the plans we have made to isolate the cases, to trace and identify the cases of contact, and contain the potential spread. So go about your normal business. However, pay close attention to the advisories and information provided by the government. Increase the awareness of your own health and the health of those around you. Until a vaccine is found, the greatest means of control is smart and informed human behavior. Panic and spreading false information are not smart behaviors. Every Jamaican must take personal responsibility for their health, hygiene, and travel. Washing hands for at least 20 minutes, 20 seconds, maintaining a safe distance of 1 meter in public, using hand sanitizers, sneezing or coughing in the bend of your elbow, avoiding unnecessary travel, and avoid touching surfaces unnecessarily. If you are ill with flu-like symptoms, stay home and avoid persons who exhibit flu-like symptoms. The world has faced outbreaks of diseases and pandemic of epidemic proportions before. We now have the scientific knowledge and institutional structures to effectively bring this global threat under control. I have great confidence in my Jamaican people that as a country and a society, we will all pull together and act responsibly.
Well, alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it. You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm only there so to keep you up to date and posted and make you know what I want. And again, you can let me know what you think about all of those videos that I've just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers, you see me? And I hope that what I just did, you know, is not only entertaining but can be informative for you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright? Yes, so until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments and let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.